Is Django.db.reset_queries required for a Nonweb script that uses Django when debug is false? I have a script running continuously, using a for loop and time.sleep. It performs queries on models after loading Django. Debug is set to false in Django settings. However, I have noticed that the process will eat more and more memory. Before my time.sleep 5, I have added a call to Django.db.reset_queries. The very small leak, a few K at a time, has come to an almost full stop, and the issue appears to be addressed. However, I still can't explain why this solves the issue, since when I look at what reset_queries does, it seems to clear a list of queries located in each of connections.all queries. When I try to output the length of these, it turns out to be 0. So the reset_queries method seems to clear lists that are already empty. Is there any reason this would still work nevertheless? I understand reset_queries is run when using mod wizzy regardless of whether debug is true or not. Thanks.
After running a debugger, indeed, reset_queries is required for a non-web Python script that uses Django to make queries. For every query made in the while loop, I did find its string representation appended to ones of the queries list in connections.all, even when debug was set as false.